Akubenguhle makhehla. Ngiyanibingelela futhi ilanga lanamhlanje ugogo nabomkhulu. Today we'll be talking about ubuthakathi. Yes, I've came across so many questions about umuntu ukuthi makeza la kimi athi yazi ngiphupha ugogo wami angithakathi, yazi ngiphupha umama wami angithakathi, yazi ngiphupha usisi wase next door angithakathi, yazi ngimbona phethe ishobo elimnyama or elipink or elinjani angithi. So now izinto ezinjalo, it doesn't mean that uyathakatha umntana ekhehla. Ubuthakathi ke ihistory yobuthakathi yazi iqhamuka kuphi? Ngenkathi zabokhulu nabokhulwana nabogogo nabomkhulu. It happened ngokuthi ke manje they were in battles angithi. They were fighting against evil spirits. They were fighting against the Western, they were fighting against a lot of people angithi. There were soldiers, there was this and that angithi. Bekuwabantu kade bahanta bathola bayozingela izilwane bayozingela ukuthi nokuthi angithi at all. So now as thina abantu abamnyama, we were gifted in such a way yokuthi ke nanoma sikhulumisa into isuke iyenzakala ngaleso sikhathi leso angithi at all. So abantu abadala if baphimisa something, whatever occurs that bazoyikhuluma ngisho ngomlomo wabo izosuka iyenzakala ngaleso sikhathi leso angithi at all. So na into yenzakalayo ukuthi ke manje when isikhathi balwa, when babahlangana nalabantu laba kade nje babalwisa, it happened ukuthi ke manje babafuna ukuprotect to that evil spirit, bafuna ukuprotect to whatever ebafuna ukubalimaza angithi at all. Like imithi lekade bayisebenza lekade bayisebenzisa, it was something, some sort of a shield kahle kahle angithi at all ukuthi njalo ke bakwazi ukuprotect to whatever le bafuna ukubabhidlisa angithi at all. So now mabaya empini bebasebenzisa izinduke ezokulwa ukuthi ke manje amabutho wabo angapheli angithi at all. Bebaya kulezo mpilo lezo ukuthi njalo ke amabutho wabo angapheli, like nje ama soldiers wabo angapheli angithi at all. Like bahlale baqinile ngaso sonke isikhathi ithi mabalwa nalaba abanye angithi at all ukuthi nje bakwazi ukunqoma leyo fight leyo and then bazokwazi ukuphokophela baye phambili. So imithi ezinjalo ke iphuma lapho ubuthakathi kahle kahle buphuma lapho ukuthi ke manje bafuna ukusiprotecta, bafuna ukuthi nje imimoya engabasondeli, bafuna ukuthi njalo ke whatever le bafuna ukuyenza ibe namandla angithi at all. Bayisebenzisa ngalendlela le manje lento yakhula ke manje bathi hayi kwanithi ngizame into ekanje nizobona ukuthi izoyenza ini angithi at all. And then ke ubuthakathi kahle kahle buqale lapho. Kodwa kahle kahle nje umuntu usuka athakatha ngenhliziyo yakhe nangomnomo wakhe angithi at all. Njengoba thina abantu abansundu sinayo, we have that gift ukuthi njalo into if sikhuluma ngesomething izohamba isuke iyenzakala angithi at all. Siqatshwe siswini sakamama, siqatshwe before sizovela, sinebala angithi at all. Ungamangali umuntu amnyama yibala lethu lelo bathi amandla wethu asembaleni wethu angithi at all. So isebenza kanjalo khehla lami. So lento yalenduku ezimnyama ke manje isuka ekuthenini ke mabogogo nabomkhulu bafuna ukuthi uqinisa imizi yabo, bafuna ukuqinisa nje like nje whatever le bafuna ukuyenza, bafuna ukuthi nje bas protect to whatever nje ebeyenzakala ngale inkathi zabo angithi at all. And then ke bebasebenzisa induku ezingathi ke abovutha angithi at all ukuthi azini sengikhathele ile bhuni leli ngisokulisa kangaka ithi ngithi ha umkhulu wakhe uzoze ephupheni lakhe amtshengisa athi yazi ngithatha isihlahla esithize nesithize usihlanganise ke ukuze uzokwazi ukusiprotecta kule bhunu le or to whoever ofuna ukuzobhidlisa angithi at all. And then athathe lezo zinduku lezo ahlanganise and then athumele ukuthi yila baqale ukubona khona ukuthi now induku ekanje yenza ukuthi nokuthi ivikela ukuthi nokuthi angithi athola izinto ezinjalo. So na ke manje ke ubuthakathi buqhamuka lapho bebazi protecta. So ke manje ke thina inkathi maziloka zihamba and then ke izinto ziyashintsha ke manje abantu sebasebenza lezo nduku lezo ke for ukusukela abanye abantu ngoba umuntu unenzondo safuna ukushaya omunye umuntu ngenduku angithi at all. So ke manje isebenza kanje mawuphupha umuntu let's maphupha umamakho akuthena something etiyeni or akwenzakala and ekubeni umamakho innocent akazi next angithi at all. So kusuka sekuyidlozi lakho liza kuwena lokutshengisa ukuthi no angikho right angithi ngithola ngilungise kanje nakanje ngoba idlozi lakwazi ukuqabanisa umndeni idlozi lakwazi ukuqabanisa nabangani idlozi lakwazi ukuqabanisa ngisho nabakhelwana angithi athola so isimo sakho sokuphila sisebenza kanjalo ukuthi mazophupha lento it doesn't mean that ukuthi uyathakathwa ngempela usuku uthakathwa idlozi lakho namntana ekhehla ngoba liyeza ngokukhala angithi athola manje sengibuyela ke kule ndaba le nkinga yokukhuluma ukuthi yamaphupho if idlozi lakho lokutshengisa ukuthi yenza i1 no2 no3 and awukwenzi lokho idlozi lakho liyanqola liyakwada angithi athola bese ke manje lukukhandela ama-enemy angithi athola and ama-enemy akhona azoqala phakathi lapha phakathi kini lama-enemy akhona angithi athola and uzobona sokuxabana nabazali bakho sokuxabana nabosisi bakho sokuqala ngisho nomngane wakho imbala ngisho nawe self uzoba nazo uzibuza ukuthi kahle why senganje kanti no idlozi lakho sesuka selikhona liyeza isivunguvungu phakathi komndeni liyeza isivunguvungu nje ebakandini bakho liyeza isivunguvungu nje la ohlala ngakhona ngithi athola liyaqabanisa nabantu ngoba lithi wena usuka ungabalaleli ngithi athola so lento leyisebenza ngaleyo ndlela lokuthi ke it doesn't mean ukuthi uyathakathwa wena mntana ekhehla mazophupha izinto ezinjalo kusuka ke manje idlozi lakho lokutshengisa ukuthi mina ngikhona angilaleli manje ke nginensila ekanje ngifuna ukuthi uyisuse kimi manje awufuni ukuyisusa and awufuni ukuyizwa lento le manje mina ngizokuqabanisa nalomuntu lo ngizokuqabanisa ngisho nomama wakho ngizokuqabanisa ngisho nomama zala wakho angithi athola and izinto eziningi zisebenza kubumama zala la wena ogane khona angithi athola uzomanga nomama zakho ozala wakho ukukwatana akukwatela ukwenza ukuthi nokuthi like nje umangala nje ngihlala ngiqabana sonke isikhathi kanti no khona idlozi into engayijabulelanga ngithi athola ayijabulela something between two families angithi athola manje wena ese wena logane khona so phupha umama zala sakwenza akushanga impama or akuphephetha or akwenza u1 no2 no3 kanti no idlozi and ekubeni umama khona ayikho into ayenzayo like u-innocent angithi athola wena mazombona njengomuntu omuntu ngoba idlozi lakho lisuka limtshengile lokuvezela yena ngale ndlela leyo ngoba lithi kuwe lifuna ukuthi manje ke ulungise whatever le ufuna ukuthi ulungise ngakhona ingakho imishado eminingi ibhidlika ngoba basuka baphupha izinto ezingekho right angithi and lawo maphupho lawo abawalandeli ngendlela angithi athola so isimo sakhona sokuphela senza ngokuthi ke manje kumele ulandelele lelo phupho lelo ukuthi kahle lisho ukuthini ngoba kulelo phupho lelo khona isign ethi no it doesn't mean ukuthi loyo mama zala loyo uyokushanga indungu angithi athola khona that thing nje ezokutshengisa ukuthi yazini mele uphakame ngeenyawo zakho usilungise ngoba sifuna ukuthi usilungisele u1 no2 no3 ingakho imishado eminingi ingalast is because now basuka baphuphela umama zala basukile baphuphela awubaba zala ngithi athola kuko kwaba nenye case yazi eke yaba khona ngaba nayo dala nje kube kwaza umuntu esifazana angeke ngimisho ngegama kube kwaza umuntu esifazana azobhula la ngithi athola ahamba ngisho nomnyeni wakhe ngithi athola sona into ikenzakala la ngiyambhulela ukuthi yazini unokuphupha into ekanje nakanje and then like nje into loyo muntu le into kade yahleza iphupha yaphupha ugogo waka lo sisilo aphupha umama wakamfazi wakhe ngithi athola so abaphupha ngendlela engekho right ekubeni leyo nto leyo abayenzi labo gogo laba nalo mama lo so ke ngambhulela ngamtshengisa ukuthi no into yenzakale it's this and that angithi athola so amaphupho akho asho ukuthi ke khona into engekho right emadlozini wakho and ke masithi samcheckela futhi ukuthi no wena into eke wayenza nje khona iqala obe wabanalo kulo muntu wakho wesifazana so azange ayilandelele and ke ekubeni ke sengimbhulela kanje la ugogo lona lo mama lo seka ubabulele dala wababulala nje angazi ukuthi wabahlaba wabadlisa ichief manje ngiyabheka la ukuthi loyo bhuti lo seka negazi ezandleni zakhe so sengikhumela izinto ezinjalo manje lezidlozi leyavumbuka saqeda ukubabula saqeda ukwenza yonke lento le idlozi bayavuka ke lamakhehla lawo lo bhuti lababulele so ke bayeza kuye bashike ukuthi usibulele ngoba akusiyithi besiyenza u1 no2 no3 bokuyidlozi lakho lifuna ukuthi ulungisele u1 no2 no3 yabo into ezinjalo. So I'm trying to explain this to you guys ukuthi when uphupha izinto ezinje it doesn't mean that uthi umama wakho yakuthakatha, it doesn't mean that umakhelwane yakuthakatha, it doesn't mean that umama zalo ubaba zalo yakuthakatha ugogo yakuthakatha. No, kusuka kuyidlozi eliyenza ukuthi ke isimo sensokuphila sibe buthakathaka kusuka kuyenza yilento leyo ukuthi ke manje idlozi liyakhala ngithi athola. That's why it's very important for you wena muntu ukuthi uyilandelele leyo nto leyo ngithi athola uyilandelele and uzokwazi ukuthola ukuthi kahle kahle yini enza ukuthi uphuphe izinto lezo ziphuphayo ezimbi ezingaka ngithi athola ngoba manje amakhehla azoza ngaleyo ndlela leyo engcolile azoza ngaleyo ndlela leyo yokulwa and bazoxabanisa nalabantu labo uclose nabo ngithi athola. So it's very important ukuthi ke ube nalomuntu lo ozokuexplain lawo maphupho lawo and uhambe uyobheka ukuthi kahle kahle lamaphupho lawo ke asho ukuthini and uzokwazi ukuthi na unga end up wenza le mistake le ubhuti lo oke wenza la ekhaya ayenzile ngithi athola. So ngoba uzogcina futhi nawo ube nenzondo ongazi ukuthi lenzondo lo iqhamukaphi iyapi kanjani. So it's very important for you wena muntu ukuthi we understand lelo phupho liphuphako, we understand le ndlela uyihamba ngithi athola ngoba amadlozi aza ngendlela eningi ehlukahlukene kakhulukazi wena muntu okumele uthathe ikhwama zabomkhulu nabogogo. Amadlozi azokuxabanisa ngisho nomama uthanda ungathandi, amadlozi azokuxabanisa ngisho nogogo wakho uthanda ungathandi, uzoba naleyo nzondo leyo uzoba dinekelo azokuxabanisa ngisho nengane yakho qobo lwakho angithi athola ngoba baza ngolaka kuwena bathi wena ufuna ubalalela wena ufuna ukwenza lento bakuthuma ukuthi uyenze manje ke kuba yiene amadlozi baba yi-enemy yakho ngithi athola esimo sakho sokuphila ingakho ke uzohamba uxabana ngisho nabantu nasestrati ngisho nala uhamba khona ngithi athola. So ke uthakathwa idlozi lakho ingakho mina ngithanda ukuthi usuka unesichitho samadlozi ngithi athola esimo sakho sokuphila. So it's very important ukuthi walandelela amaphupho akho because it's a source of communication eqhamba ngale kubo khulu nokhulwane abakhuluma nawe ngayo ukuthi ke silalele siyaphila sinawe sifuna ukuthi usenzele lento sifuna so uzokwazi ukuphokophela uyiphambili. So usuka umiswa yilento leyo wena mntana ekhehla ukuthi ke manje awalandela amaphupho wakho manje idlozi lakho liyakwada ngoba idlozi ke manje it's very sensitive angithi athola. So into enzakala ukuthi manje liyavuka base livuka kanjalo ke liyakwada lifuna ukushintsha kube isilwane lifuna ukushintsha lukuthakatha lona self luzokuxabanisa ngisho nogogo uzoxabanisa ngisho nanoma ubani angithi athola ngoba basuke bakwatile basuke basebumnyameni yabona izinjalo. So ke what I'm trying to say here is ningalandeleli ukuthakathi kakhulu ngoba wena nawe self usuke uyasithakatha ngalezi zinto lezo siqabangayo whatever le oyicabanga izosuka iyenzakala ngoba manje ke lawo mandlalo asuka khona ngoba awuhambi uyi-one sonke isikhathi uhamba nabogogo uhamba nabomkhulu baphakathi kuwe and ke manje baxoxa nawe sonke isikhathi. So kumele uhlole inhliziyo yakho kumele uhlole ingqondo yakho kumele uhlole ilimi lakho uthi makhuluma ungakhuluma izinto ezizela le ngoba uzosuka wena self usifaka enkingeni angithi athola. So ke into engizama ukuyisho ukuthi manje ke landelela namaphupho wenu ukuze ningangeni enkingeni ningangeni ebumnyameni ningaxabani nemafamily wenu because of into encane ekumele ukuthi ke uyayilungisa ekusuka iqondane nedlozi angithi athola ngoba lobuthakathi lobo amakhehla kade futhi bangayibiza ukuthakathi bebayibiza nje ukuthi ngokuthi ke ukusingatha ukuhlanganisa ukuqinisa umzimba uqinisa like nje izwe lethu ngithi athola ngoba kade bekuwabantu kade balwela izwe bekuwabantu kade balwela impilo zabo ngithi athola. So ke bebasebenza lezo zinduku lezo ukulwa nalabantu laba kade bafuna ukubhilisa whatever le bebafuna ukuyakha ngithi athola esimweni sakhona. So ke makhehla ngithi vumani amadlozi wenu vumani isimo senu sokuphila vumani know your heritage know where you come from know who you are angithi athola so that uzokwazi ukuthi manje uzothola that light that you desire angithi athola esimo sakhe sokuphila. So now understand amaphupho akho ukuthi kahle kahle asho ukuthini because azosuka akufaka ebumnyameni angithi yabona ukuthi njalo. So kakhulukazi wena muntu onedlozi lento le izokuhunta in so many ways So you need to understand your dreams, you need to understand the way bakhuluma ngakhona. Be right. So now I won't go deep into that. If you have any questions, please subscribe and we'll talk. I'll answer each and every question that you have. And then and then Emalangi, I'll have a live show on it, so that if you want to participate in that and you want to take part in that live show, that I'll be answering questions, any question that you have. Answer that and then and then do subscribe. Let's talk. I'm just here to help and I'm just here to advise. And then on the 30th of November, I'll be having a workshop where I'll be teaching about traditional healing, about how do you communicate with your ancestors, meditation, how to pasha, how to do all sorts of things, like how to communicate on how to I'll be teaching these izinto. So for more details, you'll get that in my website, you'll get that in my Facebook page, you'll get that right here on my YouTube. So do subscribe, and then 30th November I'll have that workshop at Credo Mutwa Village here in Soweto, Jabavu. So asikhulumeni, sihlangane sibe yimbumba ngithabeni kuhle ndawo.